Establishing a personal brand in woodworking is a vital step for artisans who wish to resonate with consumers seeking authenticity and connection. In a world increasingly dominated by mass production and generic offerings, the demand for unique, handcrafted items has surged. Woodworkers who can create a strong personal brand not only differentiate themselves in a crowded marketplace, but also foster meaningful relationships with customers, enhancing both loyalty and sales. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of a compelling personal brand is storytelling. Every piece of wood carries a story, and every project reflects the artisan's journey, values, and craftsmanship. By sharing their personal narrative, how they began woodworking, what inspires them, and the techniques they use, artisans can create a deeper connection with potential buyers. This narrative transforms a simple product into a meaningful artifact, enriching the customer's experience and encouraging them to support the artisan behind the work. When consumers understand the story behind each piece, they are more likely to appreciate its value and significance. Authenticity is another cornerstone of a successful personal brand. In an age of skepticism towards mass-produced goods, consumers are increasingly drawn to brands that are genuine and transparent. Woodworkers can cultivate authenticity by being honest about their processes, challenges, and successes. Sharing the imperfections that come with handmade items can also enhance this authenticity. It reminds customers that they are purchasing a unique piece rather than a flawless, uniform product. This honesty fosters trust and encourages consumers to feel more connected to the artisan and their creations. Creating a distinctive style is essential for establishing a recognizable personal brand. Woodworkers should strive to develop a signature aesthetic that reflects their personality and creativity. This could involve specific design elements, such as unique joinery techniques, finishes, or types of wood used. When consumers can identify a woodworker's style, they are more likely to seek out their work specifically, leading to greater brand loyalty. By consistently applying their unique style across various projects, artisans can create a cohesive brand identity that resonates with their target audience. Engagement with the community is also crucial for building a personal brand that connects with consumers. This engagement can take many forms, from participating in local craft fairs and markets to collaborating with other artisans or businesses. By being active in the woodworking community, artisans can not only showcase their work but also build relationships with potential customers and fellow makers. These connections enrich the artisan's network and provide opportunities for collaboration and cross-promotion, further enhancing brand visibility. In the digital age, establishing an online presence is indispensable for woodworkers looking to build their personal brand. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook offer invaluable tools for artisans to showcase their work, share their stories, and engage with followers. High-quality visuals are essential, showcasing the beauty of the wood, the intricacies of the craftsmanship, and the finished products can captivate potential buyers. Regular updates and behind-the-scenes glimpses into the creative process can also deepen consumer engagement, creating a sense of involvement in the artisan's journey. Moreover, creating a professional website serves as a central hub for the personal brand. This platform allows artisans to display their portfolio, share their stories, and provide customers with information about their products. A well-designed website can enhance credibility and make it easier for consumers to purchase items directly. Including a blog where artisans share insights about woodworking techniques, project inspirations, or sustainability practices can also attract visitors and establish the artisan as an authority in the field. Dear viewers, are you enjoying this video? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The importance of customer interaction cannot be overstated when establishing a personal brand. Engaging with customers through comments, messages, and feedback creates a sense of community and connection. Responding to inquiries promptly and personally makes consumers feel valued and appreciated. Additionally, encouraging customers to share their experiences with the products, such as posting photos of the items in their homes, can serve as powerful testimonials that enhance brand credibility. This kind of organic marketing is incredibly effective because it showcases genuine satisfaction and builds trust among potential buyers. Understanding the target audience is also essential for crafting a personal brand that resonates. Artisans should invest time in researching their ideal customers, their preferences, values, and buying behaviors. By tailoring their messaging and products to meet the specific desires of this audience, woodworkers can create a strong sense of alignment that fosters loyalty. This targeted approach enables artisans to connect on a deeper level with consumers who share their values, further reinforcing the authenticity of their brand. Incorporating sustainability into the brand can also appeal to a growing segment of consumers who prioritize eco-friendly practices. By using reclaimed wood or sustainable materials, artisans not only contribute to environmental conservation, but also attract customers who value responsible consumption. Sharing information about sourcing materials and the eco-friendly practices employed in the workshop can enhance the brand narrative, aligning it with the values of socially conscious consumers. As artisans cultivate their personal brand, they should remain adaptable and open to evolution. The woodworking landscape is constantly changing, influenced by trends, consumer preferences, and technological advancements. Staying attuned to these shifts allows artisans to refine their brand and offerings, ensuring they remain relevant and appealing. This adaptability can involve experimenting with new techniques, exploring different styles, or even expanding into new product categories based on consumer feedback. Ultimately, establishing a personal brand in woodworking is about more than just selling products. It's about creating a community and fostering connections. When artisans share their stories, engage with their audience, and remain authentic in their craft, they build relationships that endure beyond a single transaction. Consumers increasingly seek out brands that resonate with their values and provide an emotional connection, and woodworking offers a unique opportunity to fulfill that desire. In building a personal brand that resonates with consumers seeking authenticity and connection is essential for woodworking artisans. By focusing on storytelling, authenticity, a distinctive style, and community engagement, woodworkers can create a brand that stands out in a competitive marketplace. With a strong online presence and a commitment to customer interaction, artisans can cultivate loyalty and drive sales. As they navigate this journey, the personal brand they establish will not only reflect their craftsmanship, but also create lasting relationships with those who appreciate the beauty and artistry of handmade woodwork. Through dedication and creativity, woodworkers can transform their passion into a thriving brand that resonates with consumers on a deeper level. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.